Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, in this video we will learn how to solve examples of practice set 15.2 which are based on area of rhombus from the chapter area. Rhombus, a quadrilateral in which all sides are equal, is called as rhombus. Here the quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Its diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at point M. Here all sides of the rhombus are equal. So area of a rhombus is given by the formula. Area of a rhombus is equal to 1 upon 2 into product of length of the diagonals. So 1 upon 2 into length of diagonal AC into length of diagonal BD, that is 1/2 into diagonal D1 into diagonal D2 is the area of rhombus. Now the one more formula, perimeter of the rhombus. Since all sides of the rhombus are equal, so perimeter of rhombus is given by the formula 4 into side. Here diagonals of rhombus, they bisect each other, means DM is equal to MD and AM is equal to MC. They bisect each other at a right angle. The property of rhombus, the diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angle. First example, length of diagonals of the rhombus are 15 cm and 24 cm. Find its area. So given thing is the length of the diagonal D1 of the rhombus is 15 cm and diagonal D2 is equal to 24 cm. We have to find the area. So we know the formula. The formula to find area of a rhombus. Area of rhombus is equal to 1 upon 2 into product of length of its diagonal. Product of length of its diagonal. Therefore, area is equal to 1 upon 2 into diagonal D1 into diagonal D2, which is equal to 1 upon 2 into diagonal D1. Diagonal D1 is 15 into diagonal D2 is equal to 24 cm. So you can cancel this. 24 by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 12s are 24. So area is equal to 15 into 12. 15 into 12 is equal to 12 5s are 60, carry 6, 12 1s are 12 plus 6 18. 18 square centimeter is the area of the rhombus. Second example, length of diagonals of rhombus are 16.5 and 14.2 centimeter. Find its area. So diagonal length of the diagonal D1 16.5 and diagonal D2 is 14.2. Area of a rhombus is given by the formula 1 upon 2 into product of length of the diagonals of the rhombus, that is 1 upon 2 into D1 into D2, which is equal to 1 upon 2 into D1 16.5 into D2 14.2. Cancel 14.2 by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, which is equal to 16.5 multiplied by 7.1. So multiplying this 16.5 to 7.1, we will get 117.15 square centimeter. So area of a rhombus is 117.15 square centimeter. Third example, if perimeter of a rhombus is 100 centimeter and the length of one of its diagonal is 48 centimeter, what is the area of the quadrilateral? So let us consider quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus and AC and BD are the diagonals which intersect at point M. So given thing is perimeter of a rhombus is given 100 centimeter and let one of its diagonal AC be 48 centimeter. Now first we will find the side of the rhombus, length of the side. You know the property of rhombus, all sides of the rhombus are equal. So know the formula to find perimeter. Perimeter of rhombus is given as 100 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of the rhombus is 4 into side, which is equal to 100. Therefore, side of the rhombus is equal to 100 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 25. Therefore, side of the rhombus is equal to 25 centimeter. Now, here side of the rhombus, all sides are equal, so each side is 25 centimeter. Now, to find area of a rhombus, we require the length of the diagonal. Length of one diagonal AC is given. You have to find the length of another diagonal, that is diagonal BD. So here, diagonals of rhombus by property, diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angle. So we'll use this property. AM is equal to 1 upon 2, the length of the AC, as diagonal bisect each other. Therefore, 1 upon 2 into 48, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 4s are, that is 24 centimeter. Is length of AM is 24 centimeter. AM is 24, AB is 25. We have to find BM. Since they bisect each other at right angle, so triangle ABM. Triangle ABM is a right angle triangle. So in triangle ABM, angle A and B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square by Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square. So AB is given. Therefore, 25 square is equal to AM 24 square plus BM square. 25 square is 625 is equal to 576. 24 square 576 is equal to BM plus BM square. So BM square is equal to 625 minus 576. Subtract this 49. 625 minus 576 is equal to 49. Therefore, BM is equal to 7 centimeter. Hence, the diagonal bisect each other. So BM is equal to MD. So BD is equal to twice BM. Here this is 7. So this is also MD is also 7. So 7 BD is equal to 2 into 7, that is 14 centimeter. So the another length of the other diagonal is 14, and first diagonal which is given, that 24 plus 24 48. So area of rhombus is equal to 1 upon 2 into product of the length of diagonals which is equal to 1 upon 2 into length of diagonal AC into length of diagonal BD. So length of diagonal AC is given, which is 48 centimeter. 48 centimeter into BD is equal to 14 centimeter. Divide 14 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 7s are 14. So area of rhombus is equal to 48 into 7. 7 8s are 56. Carry 5. 7 4s are 28 plus 5 is equal to 33 square centimeter. 336 square centimeter is the area of the required quadrilateral, that is rhombus. Area of rhombus is 336 square centimeter. Fourth example, if the length of diagonal of rhombus is 30 centimeter and its area is 240 square centimeter, find its perimeter. So let us consider quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus and AC and BD are the diagonals of rhombus which intersect each other at point M. Now the given thing, the example is area of a rhombus is given as 240 square centimeter and let the diagonal length of diagonal AC is equal to 30 centimeter. So we know the formula to find area of a rhombus. Area of a rhombus is equal to 1 upon 2 into length of product of length of its diagonal, that is area of a rhombus is equal to 1 upon 2 into length of the diagonal AC into length of diagonal BD. Area is given as 240. 240 is equal to, therefore 240 is equal to 1 upon 2. Length of diagonal AC is 30 centimeter into, here we have to find first area, diagonal, length of diagonal BD. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 15s are 30. Therefore, length of diagonal BD is equal to 240. This 15 will get divided to 240. 240 divided by 15. 15 ones are 15. 15 ones are 15. Carry 24 minus 15 is 9. 90. 15 6 are, which is equal to 16 centimeters. So length of diagonal BD is equal to 16 centimeter. Now the property of the rhombus, diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. Therefore, here this diagonal bisect each other. AM is equal to MC and BM is equal to MD. So AM is equal to MC is 1/2 length of AC, that is 1 upon 2 into AC is equal to 30. 2 ones are 2 15s are, that is 15 centimeter, and BM is equal to MD is equal to 1 upon 2 times length of diagonal BD, that is 1 upon 2 into length of diagonal BD is 16, which is equal to 2 ones are 2 8s are, that is 8 centimeter. So in the figure here AM is equal to 15, MC is 15, BM is 8 and MD is 8. Now we'll consider a triangle ABM. In triangle ABM, AM is 15 and BM is 8. So the diagonal bisect each other as right angle. So we'll apply the Pythagoras theorem and we'll find the length of the hypotenuse, that is side of the rhombus, by using Pythagoras theorem AB. So here diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular. Diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, in triangle ABM, angle AMB is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by using Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AB square, side opposite to 90 degree, hypotenuse is equal to AM square plus BM square by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AM 15 plus 15 square plus 8 square that is AB square is equal to 225 plus 64, that is 289. AB square is equal to 289. So AB is equal to square root of 289, that is 17 centimeter. So side of the rhombus is 17 centimeter. All sides are equal. Now we want the perimeter of the rhombus. Perimeter of the rhombus is equal to perimeter of rhombus is equal to 4 multiplied by side. Now here side AB, we got side AB as 17 centimeter. So length of the side is 70. So 4 into 70, which is equal to 68 centimeter. So perimeter of the rhombus is 68 centimeter.